Hey everyone, before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss any of these life-changing opportunities I'm about to reveal. Trust me, what I'm about to show you isn't something most people know about. It's hidden, almost invisible, but it's real. And yes, you don't need any experience to start. Have you ever wondered how some people seem to make money online without a fancy degree, a complicated business, or even showing their face? Well, today, we're going to uncover a world that most people never even hear about. The invisible AI jobs that are quietly paying people online right now. Now, the first thing you need to understand is that AI is no longer just this futuristic technology. It's already embedded into so many industries. And while everyone is talking about creating AI tools or investing in tech stocks, there's a quieter side of AI, jobs that don't require coding, marketing skills, or even years of experience. These are jobs that exist purely online, often under the radar, but they're real, they pay, and they're growing fast. Let me tell you about someone named Lisa. A year ago, Lisa was juggling a part-time job and struggling to pay her bills. She stumbled upon an AI-powered platform that needed people to perform simple tasks, things like reviewing AI-generated content, categorizing data, or testing AI tools for usability. At first, she was skeptical. I mean, who would pay a complete beginner for that, right? But she gave it a shot. And within a few weeks, she was making more money than she did at her part-time job, just by helping AI learn and improve. Here's the secret: AI doesn't think the way humans do. It needs guidance. It makes mistakes, misinterprets context, and sometimes outputs completely irrelevant content. That's where these invisible jobs come in. Companies need real people to review, correct, and fine-tune AI results. And the best part, these tasks are often simple, don't require prior experience, and can be done from anywhere: your couch, a coffee shop, or even while traveling. I know what you're thinking. Is this legit? Absolutely. Big companies, tech startups, and even small AI-focused businesses are paying thousands of people every month to do this. And here's the kicker: they don't advertise these jobs in the usual way. You won't see them on standard job boards. They exist in niche communities, specialized platforms, and even private networks. People who stumble upon them often think they've discovered a hidden goldmine, and in many ways they have. One interesting example is a platform that hires people to test AI chatbots. You don't need any tech skills. Your job is simple: have conversations with the bot, identify mistakes, and provide feedback. That's it. Yet people are earning anywhere from $15 to $30 an hour doing this, sometimes more, just from home. And as AI adoption grows, the demand for these testers is skyrocketing. Another type of invisible job involves content moderation for AI-generated media. You might be asked to review AI-written articles, scripts, or even videos to ensure they make sense and meet quality standards. Again, no experience is required, just attention to detail. Companies are desperate for reliable humans to guide AI because even the smartest AI can't fully understand human nuances. The beauty of these jobs is that they're scalable. You can start small, working a few hours a day, and gradually increase your workload as you get more comfortable. And unlike traditional jobs, there's no commute, no dress code, and no office politics. Just you, your laptop, and the opportunity to earn in a field that's only going to expand in the next few years. But here's the thing: these opportunities won't stay hidden forever. As more people discover them, competition will rise and the easiest gigs will be snapped up quickly. That's why it's crucial to act now if you want to get in early, while the doors are still wide open. In the next part, I'm going to reveal exactly where to find these invisible AI jobs, what kind of tasks you can expect, and how to get started today, even if you have zero experience. Plus, I'll share insider tips that can help you earn faster and even turn this into a sustainable income stream. So let's get into the heart of it: the exact places where these invisible AI jobs are waiting, and how you can start earning immediately. First up, there are specialized platforms that connect people with AI-related microtasks. These platforms aren't the usual freelancing websites you've heard about. They're designed specifically for AI training, data annotation, and testing. Think of it as helping AI learn like a student needs a tutor. Your role is simple: review, correct, or evaluate AI outputs. A few hours a day can easily earn you $200, $400 a week, and some people are scaling that to full-time income. One type of task you'll find is data labeling. AI models need clean, structured data to improve. That could mean tagging images, transcribing audio, or categorizing text. For instance, you might get a batch of pictures and simply mark which ones contain a specific object, like a car or a dog. It sounds simple, and that's because it is, but it's essential for AI to work properly. Companies pay for accuracy, so attention to detail really counts. Next, there's AI content reviewing. This is where you read AI-generated articles, scripts, or social media posts and check for errors, inconsistencies, or awkward phrasing. Imagine an AI writes a paragraph that doesn't make sense. Your job is to spot that and make suggestions. Some platforms even pay per task completed, so the more you review, the more you earn. You don't need experience, just patience and a good eye. Then there's the fun part, chatbot testing. Companies are rolling out AI chatbots faster than ever, and they need real human feedback. You'll have conversations with bots, point out errors, and answer questions to help the AI improve. Some people describe it like talking to a quirky, sometimes unpredictable robot that's learning how to be human. And here's the kicker. These gigs often pay $15.30 per hour, sometimes more depending on the platform and your experience. So where do you actually find these jobs? A few places to start include niche AI platforms and online communities where these opportunities are shared before they hit mainstream job boards. Signing up early can give you a real advantage. Look for forums, Discord groups, and even LinkedIn threads where AI startups post these positions. The key is consistency. Check these sources regularly and apply quickly. Another secret is building your profile on multiple platforms. You don't want to rely on just one. The more platforms you're on, the more chances you have to land high-paying tasks. And don't worry about experience. These platforms are looking for everyday people to test AI from a human perspective. Your insights matter more than your resume. Now let's talk strategy for maximizing your earnings. First, focus on quality over quantity. It's tempting to rush through tasks, but accuracy is what makes you stand out and opens the door to higher-paying opportunities. Second, treat this like a real job. Set a schedule, track your hours, and gradually increase your workload as you get comfortable. Third, network with other workers. People often share tips, platform updates, and even invite others to private high-paying gigs. Here's the emotional part I want you to think about. This isn't just about making money. It's about freedom, independence, and control over your life. Imagine earning a steady income from home, or even while traveling without worrying about commuting or office politics. These invisible AI jobs can actually provide that. And the earlier you start, the more you can take advantage of a growing industry that will be even bigger in the next few years. So if you're ready to take the leap, start by researching a few of these AI platforms today. Sign up, explore the tasks, and don't be afraid to start small. The first few days may feel like learning a new skill, and that's exactly what it is. But once you get the hang of it, it can turn into a consistent and even scalable income stream. To wrap it up, the world of invisible AI jobs is real, accessible, and waiting for people like you who are willing to take the first step. You don't need experience, a degree, or even advanced technical skills. You just need curiosity, patience, and a willingness to engage with AI in ways most people haven't thought of yet. If this video gave you new insights and hope for earning online, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more opportunities and guides just like this. Start exploring, start earning, and take control of your future today.